Before Ramadan even begins, people start worrying about what they're going to wear on Eid. This is the month of prayer, not the month of flair. It's a month of constraint, not the month of complaint. This is the month you should be focusing on your ibadah, on your worship, not the month worried about what you're going to wear and how you're going to look and what people think. You don't have to wear new clothes on Eid. This is not a fard or a wajib or even a mustahab. Yes, you should wear your best clothes on Eid, but they don't have to be new. The Prophet ﷺ used to have a special Yemeni cloth and used to wear it on Eid and on Jum'ah and so on, but he used to wear it every Eid. So now, if you can afford new clothes on Eid, great, look nice, it's the day of celebration. But don't let that become your main focal point. The day of Eid is not a day for tabarruj and to go and show yourselves and show off to people and for women to wear makeup and things. No, this is at the end of a worship. This month should have taught us taqwa. Remember, it's for prayer, not for flair. It's for you to be close to Allah, not for you to just show off. Yes, we're happy on Eid. We eat on Eid. We celebrate on Eid. We greet our family on Eid. We dress nice on Eid. But we also show the benefits in our iman that we've picked up from the month of Ramadan on the day of Eid.